Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make group tabs in Opera GX. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the download now option and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, grouping tabs allows you to organize related websites together, making it easier to manage and navigate multiple open tabs, which is particularly useful for projects, research topics, or different tasks you're working on simultaneously. For us to do that, all we're going to do is go to the settings corner in the left side panel of your dashboard, and from here, click the search settings at the upper right corner and type in workspaces right here. Now, after that, now in here, make sure you have toggle switch on the enable workspaces. You see the changes. There's gonna be like a home button here. If you slide it on, that's gonna be your workspace. All right. Now click on the workspace and click on the manage workspaces. Now you see there's gonna be a workspace 1 and workspace 2, but what we're going to do is to click on edit and rename this as maybe Andy, and you can choose the icon of your liking. Maybe we're going for the bicycle. Click on save, and the workspace 2 we're gonna rename it as guide. Click on save. Now for example, this is gonna be the tab. I'm gonna open another YouTube tab. If you're working on a specific project or task, just click and hold, press and hold the control button. You see it's like a highlighted. Let me just not undo that. All right. When you press and hold the control button for both YouTube panels here, right click and click on the move tabs to workspace. You have an option to move it to guides and to Andy as well, depending on your preferences, right? It's that easy. Now when you hover again to the workspace, now we have the Andy and the guides for your workspaces, and that's basically how you make group tabs in Opera GX. It's a very convenient way in grouping tabs because it can help you stay focused on specific tasks or topics by minimizing the distractions from unrelated tabs. It allows you to switch between different groups of tabs based on your current priorities. If you control a different tab and you wanted to move it to a different workspace, you can do so by just putting it to the workspace of the tab. And again, it is very efficient and helpful for users who work in multiple projects or tasks throughout the day by grouping tabs. It facilitates better workflow organization because you can switch between different groups or tabs seamlessly in improving productivity and efficiency. And obviously, it reduces memory and CPU usage when they are not actively needed. So it's very handy and efficient. And making group tabs in Opera GX enhances efficiency, reduces clutter, improves focus, and faster access to information. And of course, it is a valuable feature for users who manage multiple tasks or projects while browsing. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.